Reindeers. Moonlets.
And peace.
Hooray!
Hoy!
What's mo na?
Moonlets or moonies?
Moonies and moonlets.
Moonies and moonlets.
Paspas kay ko nakaano, no?
Ayaw, makagbong! And starfish. Starfish. What's Fiang's fandom? Mga Fiangers. What's Fiang's fandom's name?
Mga little... Ay, iba pala yun. Sorry.
Ay, well, JM Fiang. Diba?
Ano ba? Yung tinatanong niya na yung...
Slayers.
Slayers.
Ay, Slayers? Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun.
Slayers.
Ano ram sila, Kuya Pat nga?
I don't know.
Starfish.
Ay, wait.
600.
600?
Yeah, 600. 600, like there's 600 in this building. Yo.
Pagkita magkatawa yung automat.
Uy, wow. Thank you sa gifter, Kai. You're gifting your own life.
Ay, hi po, Kaisha.
Would you...
Ay, ayos.
May Julie ka na?
Kai mates,
Ayos.
homies.
Say my name, boy, let me know.
Mga bisdak.
Makatawa na ako sa mga nagkakuan,
Shout out.
kuan sa ex, no? Mga nagkakuan sa ex ba?
Shout out, Kai mates.
Dagan kay mga himo ka story.
Ay!
I mean, wala na gikapoy na ko sige yaw-yaw, di na ko mamat. Ay, bigat na ka. Dili na ko mag-talk about that. Pero nagastorya, no? You know,
Jansan here. Shout out mga taga Jansan.
shut up!
Ay! What if hindi ka mag-like that, mag-sit down?
Don't stop.
Oh! Sit down properly!
Sa mo ka ninyo, eh.
Buhog.
Say my name, boy, let me know.
Mayong gabi.
We go.
Ay! Oh my God!
My gosh! Dami mo nagsala. Tignan mo naman.
May kasalanan. Alam niyo
Sorry,
ang kasalanan
kasi may
niya?
ano kasi.
Anong kasalanan niya?
Huwag ka na mag-save, oh.
Nakaupo kami.
Sige!
Charissa, bola.
Shut up.
Sorry guys, it's not what you think. Like, meron talagang ano talaga.
Wala mang good nakit. Nasa fine dining restaurant tayo. Ay, kaya magkatawa tatapos kung kinsa magkatawa tapos mo stop tapos kung kinsa
Okay, go.
Ako maingon. Laugh. Laugh.
Ay, dapat appeal po ka?
No, ako kayo.
Yaon kayo.
Hindi ang katawa.
So I'm gonna start on yung bukalit na kong stop. On yung stopper ko.
Sa baoy? Kita lang.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wala, magkatawa gani.
Ay, laling.
Uy, saan mo na?
Nani na lang. Like black and white. And in 3, 2, 1, whoever will laugh. Basta kinsa malahi. Laugh or no laugh, okay?
Sige, 1, 2,
3, 2, 1, go. Again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you
loser.
Wala ka sa... Oh, sige, ulit.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. You're such a loser. 3, 2, 1.
Hindi, sabay na lang nga tayo, bro.
Okay, ako na lang yun. Laugh. Stop. Laugh. If I don't say no, you keep laughing. 3, 2, 1, laugh. Laugh. Stop. Laugh. Stop. Laugh. Stop.
Ayan, tingnan ba? Ay, we play baby karaoke karaoke, baby karaoke. You open.
Ay, wait. Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
Hold up, guys.
You can put it inside your luggage yung books, but if it's like a lot of books,
Guys, if nanonood kayo mga Kai-mates,
publishing, there are 12 of them, and then plus the people sub-boss, so Ate Banik won't allow
12?
12 of them.
Bah!
So what I will do is, I can bring one, just to take a photo lang that you receive it, and then
Okay.
paketin ko na lang kahit sa ano lang, sa elevator.
Okay. Sige, I'll tell them?
I already coordinated.
Okay.
May nag-text sa akin.
Okay. Sige, thank you.
Ate ko left. Ate ko left. Ate ko left. Ate ko left.
Can you stop touching kay mahugbong?
Gani, gihul gani, para di mahagbong.
Let's play the game, let's play the game.
Ganun.
Ganon!
Ganun. Ate Colette. She left us.
What's your highest score on?
Ano to? Kay Banik?
Grabe.
What's your highest
Ay,
score
di siya
on
balik.
Plus?
I don't know.
Hindi mo siya matug.
What's your highest score on Block Plus?
Me?
Balik daw siya.
Ah. Ayun na lang i-close ko yung Cesar. Thank you.
Now ka?
37K? Grabe ha.
37K!
You're so weird. No, I'm scary.
But let's go to Colette. Let's sing in the CR. Come on! Your life is so boring right now. Bro, who can like that? Da!
No, it fell on its own.
And then end. To me it happens all the time.
It's 1:15.
I'm all alone and I'm...
197K? Bruh. You be grinding Block Blast? What is that? What's that, Ate Colette?
One cover. Bye.
Man, what do you mean? Tulog na kay? Ba, okay. Pinapatulog na ako ng person na nandito sa sa chat. So, edi matulog na tayo. Kasi maaga pa yung pull out namin. We gotta go somewhere. We're gonna go back to Manila. So, tulog na ba guys? Tulog na ba tayo?